Hi everyone, this is the Lighthouse Lady. Today I'm going to show you some of our organizing tips for our Coachmen Crossfit. Since the Class B is a very small motorhome, you have to make use of every space available. In the closet, a normal hanger would not fit. I purchased these 14-inch non-slip hangers that work great. This double hook mounts onto your headrest and works great for keeping things up off the floor, especially when you have animals. This plastic bag holder was a gift that I received many years ago, and it works great to store your extra bags. We put up these command hooks all over our coach to hang up keys and jackets and anything else that is needed. Purchase these containers at the dollar store and they work great. You can collapse them when they're not in use, open them up and fill them up as needed. They have great handles on the front and you can add a lot more items to your cabinets by using them. The storage container works great. It has dividers inside and you can keep things organized. It fits perfectly between the beds underneath the table that my husband made to store my computer and other items. The paper towel holder is a must and it mounts nice above the sink. I hope these tips were helpful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see some more videos, please subscribe and click that bell. Thank you for watching.